Hey guys, welcome to Jun's Mini Garage. In today's video, I'm gonna be building this 1/24 scale Toyota AE86 Levin model kit. Let's get started. That's right, I am building another Levin, but this one is different. This is a pre-painted kit. It's still made by Aoshima. Not many model car kits are pre-painted by the manufacturers as far as I know. Aoshima is the only company I am aware of that makes them. The price is okay for $40, but they don't make too many of them. I was only able to find a Levin on Amazon. I will have the link in the description if you are interested in buying this kit. Since everything has already been properly painted, you technically don't have to do any paintwork, which makes it a perfect kit for anyone who is interested in getting in the hobby but has never built or painted a scale model car before. I was a little skeptical about the quality of this pre-painted kit and thought it might need a lot of extra work, but wow, I am surprised by the quality of the paint job. The two-tone paint job is perfect. The masking is right on, there is no visible oversprays, and the fenders are perfectly painted. One of the most tedious tasks of building a model is painting the window trims. In this case, all of the black trims have been beautifully painted with a flat black finish. This will save you at least a few hours of work and a lot of energy. The hood is removable and it looks like there will be an option to put in an engine. And of course, both front and rear bumpers are also painted with a beautiful finish. The parts that are supposed to be black have all been painted black. It's a flatter shade of black finish which is different from the color of the bare plastic. The brake rotors and exhaust are factory chrome plated, but the calipers have been painted separately. Interior trims have a nice clean two-tone paint job as well. Even the dash has been perfectly masked and painted. The small things such as the window edges as well as the light lenses are also carefully painted. One of the unique features of this kit is that it has working suspension. I'm not sure if it's a thing for the 86 only. The TRD wide-body Levin I built a while ago also had working springs. Not many decals to worry about, and the instruction manual is also easy to read. If this is your first model car, then I will recommend following the step-by-step guide so you don't miss or lose any parts. The biggest disappointment is the lack of engine details. I wish they can include engines in all of their AE86s. Most 86s from Aoshima will include engines except for a few which I will list on the screen. Now we have seen all of the parts, so it's time to cut them off the sprues. To do that, I use a pair of side cutters. I have been using this one since my first build. It's basically a small wire cutter. It does the job and it's only $4. Again, I will link it in the description along with all the other tools I use. I do have another pair of side cutters. This is from Tamiya, which I don't usually use. The build quality is much higher, the blades are sharper and thinner, which allows you to make a better, cleaner cut, and it will have less damage to the plastics. But keep in mind that this is made for cutting plastics only, so if you are using it to cut wires or metals, you will damage the blades. For me, I like using the less expensive cutter. I like how it feels in my hand, but since these parts have been beautifully painted, I don't want to spend a lot of time sanding off stretch marks like I used to do for the unpainted kit. So I'll be using the Tamiya cutter. Some of these parts, like the light, will have exposed plastics once you cut them off the spruce. And if you are super picky about it, you can just repaint it with a black Sharpie. To put these parts together, you will need some kind of glues. These are the common ones modelers use. They are modeling glues that are very thin, and you apply them using the provided small brush. It works by melting two pieces of plastic and then bonding them together. So it's better to use this on bare plastics or before painting. My absolute favorite glue is the BSI Super Gold Plus. It's a super glue that doesn't have any strong smell, and it's safe to use on plastics as well as clear parts. I don't recommend using generic super glues because they will attack the plastics and make them look frosty and foggy. They are okay for fixing things around the house, but not really for building plastic models. To apply the glue, I usually pour them out onto a piece of masking tape, and then I use a small toothpick to transfer the glue. That way I can have better control over the amount of glue I need. So that's it for this simple build. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and you're welcome to check out my other videos as well. So please enjoy the photo presentation, and I will see you guys in my next build.